Hello and welcome to Yoga with me. I'm Lina and today I've got an awesome practice for your lower back and hips. So let's get started. So first we're going to come onto the mat like this, just bending our legs, taking our hands either under our thighs or under our knees, and you're going to just breathe in and look up, breathing out, looking down, breathing in, looking up, and breathing out, looking down. Why is it important to breathe deeply? When you breathe deeply and allow your breath to flow all the way to your belly, what can happen is, what is actually happening is your whole body is being nourished by the oxygen. And not only that, it can be energizing, it can be relaxing, it can be calming for the mind. So deep breathing has so many benefits. So just coming to the center, and then you're going to come forward. So you can keep your hands on your knees or on your shins like this, or even under your thighs. And then you're stretching up and then pushing your tailbone down and then just coming down. You might even want to just bring your hands like this and just hanging, feeling a lovely stretch on the back here and your hips. Taking deep breaths. One more. And then coming up to the center. Now bringing one leg in front and then the other leg towards your thigh. You're going to bring the opposite hand to the foot. The other hand you can just bring to the floor, breathing in and stretching up and trying to reach for your foot. Now, if you can't, you might be here. You might even come onto your shins, or you might be able to touch your toes or even the side of your foot. You're feeling a lovely stretch here on the side that's being stretched. Just relaxing into it. Remember to do some deep breathing here. And then coming up slowly. Now we're going to do a gentle twist, not going all the way around, but just looking over the shoulder. So bringing your hands to your shoulders, breathing in and stretching up. And as you breathe out, just stretching. Now at this point, you can bring one hand to the knee and the other hand to the floor. Just feeling a lovely stretch here. Deep breaths. And then coming to the center. Now we're going to come all the way down if you can, but remember, if you can't, you can be here, you can be here, you can even be here. So breathing in and stretching up, and then just coming as far as you can and just relaxing into it with a few deep breaths. And then coming up slowly. Let's do the other side. So one leg is straight, the other leg that was bent on the other side, and then bringing your foot towards your thigh. Again, opposite hand to foot. The other hand is pushing down on the floor. So breathe in, stretch up. And as you come down, remember, you might be here, you might be here, you might even be able to touch the toes or even touching your foot. And just try and pull yourself towards your feet if you can. Feeling a lovely stretch on the side. Taking deep breaths in and out. And then coming up slowly. Now we're going to do a twist, not going all the way around, just looking over your shoulders. So bringing your hands to your shoulders, breathing in, stretching up, push your tailbone down. And as you breathe out, just taking your head, looking towards your shoulder. You can keep your hands here or placing one hand on the knee, the other hand on the floor, pushing down, just feeling a beautiful stretch here. You might even want to flex your foot to feel a stretch on your leg. And then come into the center. Now we're going to come down in front. So breathing in, stretching up. Remember, just go at your own pace. Honor your body. You know your body best. And as you breathe out, you're going to come all the way down. You might be here. You might be here. You might even be here. As long as you feel a stretch, it's doing its job. If you can't touch your foot, you're going to flex it so you feel a lovely stretch on your leg. One more deep breath in and out and coming to the center. Now, bringing your feet together, giving your feet a little massage. Always nice to give our feet a massage. Sometimes they get neglected. We put all our pressure onto our feet, so we might as well give them a nice massage. So now we're just going to breathe in and look forward. Breathe out, curving your spine, looking down. Breathe in, look forward, looking up. Breathe out, curve your spine, looking down. One more, breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, looking down. And then bringing your feet in front of you. We're going to come down. So breathing in, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down and just coming as far forward as you can. So you might be here, you might even be here. Just taking a few deep breaths here. And then coming up slowly. And now we're going to come to the floor. Bringing one knee in like this. Just bringing it towards you. And then taking the other knee towards you. And then bringing both knees in, giving yourself a hug. Maybe bringing your head to your knees as far as you can. Bringing it down, then it's going rolling from side to side. You might want to do some circles here. And then you can bring your hands behind your knees if you like. Or if you can touch your shins or even your feet. And you're just moving from side to side. This is called happy baby. I'm going to straighten one leg. Oops, I touched the plant there. And then just bringing your feet down. And then just moving your leg in one direction, head in the other. And just moving from side to side. And then coming to the center, straightening your legs, just relaxing here, breathing in and breathing out, just coming back to your breath and feeling relaxed. Now you can stay here or you can come seated on your mat, just bending your legs and rolling to one side. Bringing your hands to your heart center, just becoming present, feeling the love inside in your body, thanking your body for the yoga you practiced today. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Hope you enjoyed the practice. Subscribe and do share this practice with someone else that you feel may benefit. And I look forward to practicing with you again. And until next time, namaste.